Welcome to my Tuesday lunchtime. We've got half an hour to create a 10-minute video. Yep, half an hour by the time I drive home and get myself changed. Week was a blur, so much to do, not enough time in the car. So yes, sandblaster definitely scheduled this Saturday. So we need to try and get ourselves sorted. So what I need to do is try and clear the car out a bit. I need to roll it over. My dad's asked me some pictures of the subframe mounting point areas at the back of the car. So he's working on that area on the other Mk1. And I've got a little bit of the rear heel board / floor pan to weld up at the back as well, which I can try and attempt to do this lunch. So what we need to do is clear the car out, see if we can get the thing rolled over, see if it still spins without falling over. And yeah, go from there. Ordered up some more, or I'm about to order up some. I've sent the email, ordered up some more epoxy primer. In the end, can't have enough. If I don't use it, I don't use it. And also some thinners to go with that, which I missed out on that thing, which is thank you for someone telling me, Trevor. So yeah, that's all good. So yeah, let's give it a bit of a clear out and see if we can get the winch on it and see if we can get it rolled over and see if we can do a little bit of welding in half an hour. Technically just had a work phone call, so you know, technically I think that allows me an extra 5 minutes. So yeah, let's have a clear up and see if we can get the car rolled over. It's going up. I wouldn't say the word dangerous, but it's a little bit more delicate now. It's got pretty much all metal on it and no holes and no rust. So yeah, it's highlighting a few things that we've got to do. So that's good. Got a little, this bit to finish off, fill her up. Oh, we've got to do the A panels into that edge as well. Oh, I had some dangerous tiger bread at lunch. Oh, I thought it's cut my tongue. So yeah, alright, I think we're nearly high enough anyway to go look at the back anyway. There we go. I think I'm going to be able to finish all of it off. But basically what I did was welded a bit of flat onto this edge because it's supposed to mimic the fold coming over. So basically we've got the back heel board already, it just needed to be folded round and that bit was rusted. So basically what I'm going to do is I've got this welded on, trim it down a little bit, just tap it around the edge and hopefully just seam weld it to the heel board, and away we go. It'll be interesting once we get a bit of sandblasting all over this, see what it turns out like. I must remember to take some photos for my dad. So yeah, let's get on and do that and see if we can manage to complete something in this lunch hour and get out of here. So if the video ain't great in the darkness, just trying to trim that down a bit now. Just going to leave the bolt back in a minute just to stop any sparks getting in. Obviously you can see I need to fill the hole at the moment, but that's going to be another time. So just going to grind it down a little bit, just see if I can get enough to tap it across, and we'll get a weld on it, and hopefully it'll grind down a bit and look alright. Rightio, gas off Matthew, gas off. gas off. That'll do. We've got to get back to work. World's shortest video. But again, just showing you a bit of update. You can just get stuff done, a little bit done, a little bit done. I need to take some photos though for my dad. So he wanted to know what that sort of bit area looked like. Shit, Dad, that's what it's supposed to look like. So we'll take some photos. And yeah, not bad. So yeah, shot blast Saturday still. So it's all looking good. Yeah, I wanted some shots of the back as well. Yeah, can't be seen very well. Photos, Dad, photos. Yeah, so if anybody wants to keep up to date with what my dad's up to, best bet is on my Facebook page, facebook.com/Mk1 as I said, my dad don't really do videos as such, so he just sends me photos every so often, normally with his fingerprint covering up the bottom corner. I don't know if anyone's noticed that. I must tell him how to stop doing that. But yeah, so yeah, to follow some updates there, and the pickup project, even though we're not working too much on it yet, I'm just collecting ideas and parts. Again, if you're a Patreon person, I will be uploading some photos in the next few weeks of different things that are arriving before anybody else gets to see them. So if you're interested in seeing any of the project stuff before I show it to the ground world, please join. If not, don't panic, you'll still get to see it in the end. But yeah, alright, I think that's it. What else have we got? Anything else? Apart from go back from work, still got to tidy up. We've got that door to finish off, we've got the subframe to finish stripping. It's only a couple of subframe bolts that we've got, subframe mounts we've got to get off. That's that done. Turn the welder off. And yeah, let's get out of here, back to work. Sorry for the short video, but yeah, it's some work done, isn't it? Oh yeah, obviously it's Tuesday, so it's pasta Tuesday. Ping meals. Wife's watching the Bake Off tonight, so I can be out here annoying her later. So yeah, good luck to everybody in the Bake Off if anybody watches it.